Hi Vicky, for my runners on the 19th of June, the Vaal, race 3, Secret Warrior. He's well in this race with the weights and that with the 4 kilogram climber. His last run was not him, that was very wet that day and he didn't act in the wet. So I'm expecting improvement. We gelded him in the meantime. He's definitely a quartet chance. In race 5, Global Thunder. She developed the habit of starting slow and losing lengths at the start. The last race she jumped on terms. She improved. I think she's going to improve more. She should be right on top of him in the finish. I'm expecting a big run from her. Race 6, we got Paul Revere. Very, very, very consistent little horse. He's always trying his best. The weight might caught him out a few times before. This time he's well in on not well in on the weights, but he's weighted well. I'm expecting a big run of him. Stop the traffic. The inside track didn't suit this horse. He's a big striding horse. I think the mile was a little bit too sharp for him as well. He'll be improving. He'll run a very nice race. Tio Toriate, very easy win last time in a apprentice handicap. This time she's got a little bit more to do on the weights and that. She's drawn out in the bush basically, but she'll give a good account of herself. Thank you very much.